In a faraway world, the nomadic Duji tribe found an orphan boy. They named him Enyo. As he grew, so too did his unique powers. It is Enyo's destiny to lead his tribe to the Hidden Valley, but they must overcome great dangers to reach it, some more deadly than others. This is the legend of Enyo.
Hey, look! Last one, there's a glyph.
Then you're the glyph. Yeah! Yeah! Is that a ship?
Well, a carving of one anyway.
It seems very old.
Why would anyone carve a thing like that here?
Maybe it was just someone's dream.
Someone's dream.
Come on, let's go back.
What is it, Quagnaga?
It looks like some sort of ship.
Who carved it, Master?
I'm not sure.
Why would someone even draw a boat in the middle of the desert?
Enyo, what's the matter?
I don't know. It's really strange. My amulet seems to be getting heavier.
What? Hunga! Wait! Something's happening to Enyo's amulet!
Don't stop here. I'll ride with them, and we'll meet in the shade of that rock.
Very well.
Show me the amulet, Enyo.
I can't. It's too heavy.
Maybe we should cut it off him.
No, we mustn't do that. Let's catch up with the others, then we'll decide what needs to be done. Come.
Odina, have you ever seen anything like it?
Never. It must be many Orwalks old.
Enyo! Agaya, look!
Ah! Help! Get this off me!
Careful. We must take care not to break it.
I can't even pick it up.
You need a girl to help you.
Shamani, why is this happening?
Perhaps it has something to do with this.
It's just like the one in the carving.
What carving?
On a rock back there, there was a carving of a ship just like this.
I see. There is a legend of a giant ship which traveled to the Hidden Valley.
So, this was a sea?
Long ago.
But who built this?
I don't know, Enyo. Whoever they were, they had so much knowledge. Knowledge we have lost.
Oh, who was that?
Who was what?
Oh, hey-o! Come on!
Be careful! Tumug, go with them.
Look. I wonder what they are.
Nothing. They're just... Oh, it's alive! And it's cold!
We can use them for light.
Okay, let's go.
E10!
I'm here!
We can't see you.
I'm in some kind of tunnel!
Ito! Agaya!
Enyo, where are you?
I'm here, Agaya.
Keep talking.
In a place like a cave.
I caught you, Atwa thief!
Who's there?
The other thieves can't help you now.
We're not thieves.
Oh, yes. You say that, but why else would you be here among my treasures? Thieves! All of you! Thieves! You want my boat, but you can't have it. Oh, no. It's mine. It's all mine.
We don't want your boat. We just saw you and...
Your drollness, they're red. You're an aglulo.
Yes. How did you know?
Because so am I. Look! Here, me, aglulo. Oh, catch you. Our shaman, forgive me. I didn't recognize you. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
My name is Enyo. I'm Caccio's son.
Oh, no. I would recognize Caccio anywhere. And you are he. 12 years ago, after Quagnaga's attack that destroyed our tribe, I woke in the desert alone. I've been alone ever since. But you found me, Caccio. Thank you.
There doesn't appear to be any sign of danger about. We may as well set up camp. And set it up around the amulet. I don't want it out of my sight.
Unga! I found these two, but Enyo's still missing. I'll go back and get him.
We're all right.
We? Who's that?
Kumino. Look. He's an aglulo.
So, the Doogies have found a ship. Like the one carved on the rock. Quagnaga will be interested to hear this. Let's go fetch him.
You look well, Caccio.
My father was Caccio. I was a baby when Quagnaga attacked you. The Doogies found me and saved me.
Caccio, you're joking with an old man.
Take a scouting party. See if Quagnaga is still following.
Quagnaga? Here? No, he'll want my ship. He'll take my treasure.
Don't worry. We'll protect you.
Oh, big talk, Caccio. You didn't save me the last time.
When we move on, old man, you can come with us to the Hidden Valley.
You're going to the Hidden Valley? Well, I have a quicker way. Yes, perhaps. My ship. When I mend it, I'll sail it there.
Without Atwa?
When my ship is whole, perhaps the Atwa will return. Yes,
Just a little crazy.
I shall go to the Hidden Valley. Oh, you'll see.
For some reason, my amulet got heavy.
Ah, yes! It's found something.
Quagnaga and his marauders are close behind us. We must leave.
And leave the amulet?
No, we cannot leave without the amulet.
Why are they staying, I wonder? They must be just as short of Atwa as we are.
I know what you are thinking, Master, and I agree.
You know what I'm thinking now, do you, Dago? Enlighten me.
You're thinking that the Doogies have found Atwa near that ship.
They swimming? That not fair.
Fair belongs to those who take things by strength. If they've found Atwa, we'll take it. Wagnaga has no mercy.
Exactly. You can't stay here. If he finds you here, you're doomed.
Help me here.
What if we turn it around?
Yes! That's it! Well done, Caccio.
Camino, please listen to me.
It's you who's not listening. My destiny is to repair this ship and sail it to the hidden valley.
Enyo, come with me, please. The old man's so scarred by the past that he's living in his dreams. He won't move from this place.
And neither will my amulet. Kumino says my amulet's found something.
But what? We must consult the spirits this Agnat. Perhaps the truth will be revealed. We're going to call on Uztek, Lord of the Atwars, for his help and advice.
Why Uztek, when there's no Atwi here?
Once, hundreds, perhaps even thousands of all walks ago, this was the bed of a mighty ocean. The Atwa is still here,
Where?
beneath the sands, and in a spirit form all around us. Uztek, Lord of the Atwas, be with us. Share with us your knowledge.
Look, I don't think we should be...
Shh! Be quiet.
Enyo, Uztek has chosen you. You are the voice of Uztek now. Speak.
I see the amulet. It's growing bigger. Now it fills the sky.
What's he saying?
It turns to Atwa. It falls to the dry earth. It floods. Floods the earth. I see the ship. Kumino's ship. But the ship too is Atwa. All is Atwa. Now the amulet is floating down from the sky. It's joining with the ship. And the ship is...
Shamani! What's happened to him?
Never do that again. Enyo was in the land of the spirits. Waking suddenly, he could have left part of himself there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Shamani, what I saw... it made no sense.
No, Enyo. What you saw told us exactly what we have to do. The amulet has grown heavy because it's linked to the ship in some way. So until the ship is repaired and fit to sail, the amulet will remain here.
That ship? It will never sail.
The Lord of the Atwas has told us it must be whole again, or we will lose the amulet forever.
Perhaps this will make more sense in the morning. If the amulet is too heavy to move, how will fixing the ship make it light?
Put simply, if it changed its weight once, it can change again.
Listen to me. We need Atwa. Agreed?
Agreed.
So some of us must travel until we find it. Then come back for the amulet.
Caccio, here, with me. I'll show you my treasure. Behold, my treasure.
Whoa. Atwa.
I will give some to the Doogies in gratitude for their help.
Thank you. My people are thirsty and they need Atwa.
And I need them to help me repair this ship.
Kumino, what is this?
What does it look like?
I don't know. It's beautiful.
Neither do I. But I know it drives my ship.
Drives it? But how?
You're here now, Caccio. You'll work it out, I know.
But what if I can't?
The ship will never move again.
They've got a jar of Atwa. And if they've got one, they've got more.
From inside the ship?
Yes.
Then we must take the ship from them. Ready the attack.
Listen to me. You remember Kumino said the amulet got heavy because it found something?
He was raving. None of it made any sense.
Maybe this ship is making my amulet heavy. If we move my amulet away, it should get lighter.
It's worth trying.
But even I can't lift it now. Not even 3 warriors together can...
I've got an idea. Come. Now push! Push! Oh!
Doogies! Quagnaga and the marauders are coming!
Everyone to your posts. Ready your wind spears.
Quick! Hide the amulet!
What's he doing? Does he want to fight or not?
He's a fool. 1 Doogie's better than 10 of his marauders.
We don't want to fight. We just want the Atwa you found.
What was that?
Give it to us and we'll spare you. I'm a reasonable man.
We will give you nothing. Get out of here now.
Then you're a fool, Hunga. Quagnaga! He's returned to destroy me! I'll give you time to think about this. But you'd better give me what I want. If not, I'll be back with this. It is a great honor to have the Doogies chieftain in my humble vessel.
We need to talk.
Good. I like to talk.
Look, Quagnaga is...
Curse him!
Yes, well, he wants Atwa.
Ha! Let him suffer! Let him suffer like my fellow Aglulos!
Kumino, if we don't give him some of your Atwa, he'll attack us all.
I don't care! Let him! I'll smash every jar in the ship! Quagnaga will never even have a drop of Atwa from me!
He said he won't let Quagnaga have a drop. Should I force him?
The Atwa isn't ours to give. It's Kumino's.
Yes, but it was just sitting there.
But he found it, Hunga, and the finder has a right to what he finds.
Not at the cost of a battle which could destroy all of us.
Attack now, Quagnaga.
Battles can be unpredictable, Dagor. I may be able to bluff them into giving me what I want, so there won't be any need to fight.
But they'll never give us the Atwa willingly, Master.
Perhaps, Dagor, but what if we destroy Enyo and his amulet? There'd be no one to lead us to the Hidden Valley.
Quagnaga's not going to like this.
I think he's bluffing. He wouldn't launch a full-out attack.
Are you sure?
What? Just come. I have a plan.
Well, your answer?
You'll get no Atwa from us. And if you attack, we will spill the Atwa into the desert sands before we give it to you.
Then you bring destruction on yourself and your tribe.
You still think he won't attack?
It's too big a risk for him.
I think he is bluffing. Make sure Enyo isn't harmed. Attack!
The fool!
Come on! Come on!
Shoot!
It's warm! Quick! Your people need Atwa!
Come quickly! Get the Atwa!
What's the hurry?
I don't know. Just take it.
Has powered the ship!
Enyo, jump!
It works! I did it!
Thank you for the Atwa!
Impossible! Don't let them get away!
Come back! Take us with you to the Hidden Valley!
Sorry, I can't stop the ship. I don't know how. I'll see you in the Hidden Valley, Catch-yo!
My name is Enyo.
The amulet clearly restored power to the ship. How remarkable.
I wonder what else it can do.
There is more to the amulet than any of us know. And sometimes I think there's more to you too, Enyo.
Using the gargoyles to drive off the marauders. That was clever.
So, that must be the direction of the Hidden Valley.
At last, a clear sign for us to follow.
Then this is the direction we must travel. Doogies!
You coming, Catch-yo?